Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the sticker material and protecting the surrounding finish. This matters because heat and solvents react differently. Begin heating a corner for 20-30 seconds with a hair dryer on medium, then peel a small edge with a plastic scraper. Once you have a stable lift, continue warming and easing the sticker up slowly at a low angle, because steady heat softens adhesive and prevents paint lift. You now tackle residue. Apply a few drops of isopropyl alcohol or adhesive remover to a cloth and dab the tacky areas, letting it sit 30-60 seconds to penetrate. Then rub gently in a circular motion while reheating briefly. This combination breaks down sticky polymers so you don't gouge the finish. Once loosened, wipe clean and repeat in overlapping passes until the surface feels smooth and no tack remains. You finish by washing the area with mild detergent and water, then drying it completely. This removes solvent residue and restores surface clarity. If you see minor paint haze, use a non-abrasive polishing compound and a soft cloth to even it out, because gentle correction prevents overworking the finish. If the sticker stubbornly resists or the paint starts to lift, stop and consult a professional. Escalation prevents permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.